Mike again. This is the second video in our series, our Moodle series, and in this video, let's just talk about some of the functionality that DigitalOcean offers and some of the important things that may come up or may not come up, but has more to do with administration than development. When you power the system off, they recommend not using this interface. They want you to use the command line, and we'll get into that eventually, not in this video. So when you power it off, we want to do it from the command line. Otherwise, they say there's a threat of data corruption, so we want to avoid that. The other important things, we'll skip a couple of these, they're just not relevant. This one's access is just resetting the root password. Resizing is obviously you're going to resize the server. We're not going to be doing any of that. But you might want to take a snapshot if you've configured your system and want to save the settings in the event that you make an error and want to start over at the place where you're at. Then this is the thing to do, is to take a snapshot. You take your snapshot, make sure that your system's offline. And the other thing would be destroy. Mess things up to a point to where you just want to start over and just go ahead and destroy the droplet and start over. You can start over from scratch, or you can, like I say, start over from your snapshot. And let's just go through some of the basics of what DigitalOcean offers. Again, I don't know everything about every detail, but what I do know, I'll share with you right now. Obviously, on this page, you just get a description of each of the droplets, the name, the image, the operating system, the name, IP address, the status, on or off, amount of RAM, disk space, and the data region where the data center resides. And then each one of these obviously are links to the control panel where we were just at. Images are all about backups. Like I just stated, snapshots are taken on demand, and your system has to be offline. So it's something that you wouldn't be using on a production site. Droplet backups are scheduled, and the system can be live. Recently destroyed droplets is just an area where if you destroyed a droplet, the DigitalOcean saves a copy of that image for a couple days here. That's a nice feature. We won't be using SSH keys, but this is an area where you can set up passwordless logins. Support page, self-explanatory. You create a ticket if you like. They have really good service. We'll talk about DNS in the next video. For now, we'll just go ahead and just stop this video, and we'll see you next time.